And welcome to our open house. My name is Rachel Resney, and Ms. Ferrini and I are going to tell you guys about our IB program tonight. I am the middle years program coordinator. I work closely with our 9th and 10th graders. I also teach the sophomore year MYP English classes. Before I tell you more about the middle years program, Ms. Ferrini is going to tell you about the philosophy of the IB.
Hello, everyone, and welcome this evening. My name is Nancy Ann Ferrini. I am the coordinator of the Diploma Program for high school juniors and seniors, and I am also the teacher of the Theory of Knowledge course in our Diploma Program. As an IB school, Steinmetz is authorized to offer IB classes from grades 9 through 12 to your child, and we commit to the IB program philosophy, which is a philosophy that shows our commitment to inspiring our students to become lifelong learners who have inquiry skills that inspire them to go out and learn in a variety of advanced subjects while also serving their greater community. This IB philosophy governs all of our classes. You see this in our day-to-day instruction, you see this in the inquiry-based projects that our students complete, and you see this in the examinations that our students take in their junior and senior years that give them the opportunity to earn college credit while they are still in high school.
So I'm going to tell you about the MYP of our IB program, which is our 9th and 10th graders. So overall, the MYP aims to help our students develop their personal understanding and their emerging sense of self and responsibility in their community. We feel that students learn best when their learning experience have context and we connect it to their lives, their experience of the world that they have experienced. MYP is a concept-based learning, so we go by concepts that are big ideas that have relevance along our specific disciplines across our 8 subject areas. And we do this through personal, local, and global significance, and we do a holistic view. We also thread everything together through our ATL skills, or what we call approaches to learning. So this helps our students become independent learners, and we encourage the skills of, we develop social thinking, critical thinking, research, communication, and self-management skills. We also focus on service in the MYP through community and through our civics projects in the freshman year. And we work on personal projects in our sophomore year. And that is an independent inquiry-based project where students can really choose what they want to continue working on those ATL skills, those self-management, those critical thinking skills. Overall, our middle years program is an inclusive program. Like Mr. Jaramillo said, we're wall-to-wall MYP to give everyone that philosophy, and we prepare our students to be successful in our diploma program in the 11th and 12th grade. So now Ms. Ferrini will tell you about our diploma program.
Yeah, so as juniors and seniors, our IB students are invited to take up to 7 college level courses. Those would be 6 courses across the traditional core subject and elective courses. And then we also have a core component in the program that holds those 6 advanced courses together. Throughout our courses, we are providing strong post-secondary support and guidance. Our talk of college starts when our students enter the building, but as juniors and seniors, we are shaping lessons and providing opportunities for students to explore their interests so that they make an informed and supported decision throughout the post-secondary application process. The core class in IB that holds together all of the advanced coursework is the Theory of Knowledge course. The Theory of Knowledge course is really a course that is quite unique and quite exciting to be a part of. I am the Theory of Knowledge teacher for our IB students. And in TOK, as we like to call it, we get to study what the nature of knowledge is in each of their other IB courses. How is it that knowledge is created? How is it articulated? And how does it change over time? It's a course that invites students to reflect about what they know and to connect the rigorous learning in all of their courses to their own personal experiences, both inside and outside the classroom. In the diploma program, we have a second core component called creativity, activity, and service. And in this component, we take traditional service learning and we expand it a little to include creativity and physical activity. so that our students have experiential learning opportunities that allow them to serve the broader community. And then we have an independent inquiry project called the Extended Essay. This is a traditional research-based assignment where students are learning what it means to write a college-level thesis. This process really mimics what college students do when they embark on their focused research. We pair them up with a high school teacher who serves as their supervisor and mentor, to whom they can present their knowledge, and it really prepares them for that independent research that they do in college. The ATL skill development that Ms. Resny spoke about continues. We are a program, even with its focus on rigorous content, we are focusing on skill development. And so we are a program that stresses skill development through that rigorous content. Our students are learning how, in as much, even more, as they are learning what. And then finally, at the end of their second year, our students will sit for external examinations through which they may be eligible for college credit. It's a very exciting time to be an IB student at Steinmetz. There's been a number of studies on just how well IB students do at the university level, and we're really happy to share some of this information here from the Consortium on Chicago School Research at the University of Chicago. When we look at IB students in college and compare them to similar groups of students who have also pursued advanced coursework in high school, we find that IB students are more likely to go to college, to go on to a selective college, and to persist in college for at least 2 years and graduate. While they're at college, IB students frequently report that they feel very well prepared, that not only do they have the academic skills that allow them to be successful, they also have the time management skills, the advocacy skills to seek help when they need it, and just the overall willingness and the overall engagement with interesting topics. It's their preparation in IB coursework in high school that they very likely attribute and very often attribute to their success in college. It's also a very exciting time to be an IB student because hard work in high school can make you eligible for college credit. And in 2016, legislation in Illinois was passed requiring all public institutions in Illinois, public post-secondary institutions in Illinois, to have an IB recognition policy. Throughout that post-secondary support process that I spoke of earlier, we do encourage students to learn about the IB recognition policies as they are learning about college, as they are visiting schools. We encourage them to ask about recognition policies so that they can see how their IB coursework can benefit them in a number of ways when they are entering the university. So I want to thank you again for joining us this evening. Ms. Resny and I